When it comes down to woodworking, accuracy is always key. For that reason, you need measuring tools that you can rely on, including the tape measure that you use. If you're wondering about the best tape measures for woodworkers, then you're in the right place. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best tape measures for woodworkers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Craftsman Tape Measure. This 25-foot analog tape measure from Craftsman is a great and cost-effective option for woodworkers. With an added rubber overmold, you'll have a superior grip when using this tape measure. The measuring blade's coating also increases the overall durability and lifespan of this tape measure. With a nearly stellar 4.85 rating from more than 5,000 reviews, this is a tape measure that you can trust as a woodworker. For more information, you can visit the above link. Number 2. General Tools LTM 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. This tool features a laser pointer and digital display. Besides being versatile, the device features intriguing features that blow your mind. While analog tape measures incorporate a single way of measurement, this digital measuring tape offers 2 ways. This includes a tape and a laser that you can use to measure distances. With the laser, you can measure up to a distance of 50 feet. The tape measures up to 16 feet. With its ease of use, this tape measure is great for operating independently. I use the tape measure for short distances, while the laser suits longer distances better. Another perk of this measuring tool is its advanced precision and excellent accuracy. Moreover, when using laser tape measures, you'll read the accurate measurement on the LCD screen. Also, this is an easy-to-use digital measuring tape. All you've got to do is push the red button, which activates the laser. Don't push the button if you wish to measure manually using digital tape measures. Doing so activates the laser. Number 3. Land Heavy-Duty Measuring Tape. This heavy-duty measuring tape from Land is a great option for woodworkers. There are also a few different options available, allowing you to pick the right option for you. This tape measure features a self-locking mechanism and a magnetic hook, which allows for a precise measurement every time. Easy to read and affordable, there's nothing not to love about this tape measure. This tape measure has a 4.65 rating from 90 satisfied customers. Number 4. Milwaukee Magnetic Measuring Tape. This 25-foot measuring tape from Milwaukee is another fantastic choice for woodworkers. With a reinforced frame, magnetic tip, and nylon bond protection for the measuring blade, this measuring tape has all the core features you need. The stop mechanism is even designed to protect your finger when retracting the blade. With a 4.55 rating from more than 400 reviews, this is a great analog measuring tape. Number 5. Stanley Tape Measure Chrome. This 25-foot chrome measuring tape from Stanley will serve you well through countless woodworking projects. With a protected blade and impact-proof casing, this measuring tape is always up for the job. With a secure lock mechanism and rust-resistant end hook, this analog measuring tape has all the features you need. For more than 2,000 reviews, this measuring tape has a 4.75 rating. For more information. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.